Class 12 Political Science, Chapter 2. The Era of One-Party Dominance 150 MCQs. Q1. When was the Election Commission of India set up? A. January 1950. B. August 1947. C. November 1949. D. January 1952. Answer. A. January 1950. Q2. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. Sukumar Sen. B. K.V.K. Sundaram. C. T.N. Sheshan. D. S.P. Sen Verma. Answer. A. Sukumar Sen. Q3. What was the major demographic challenge for the first general election? A. Low population. B. 15% literacy rate. C. Urban migration. D. Lack of printing press. Answer. B. 15% literacy rate. Q4. How many eligible voters were there in the first general elections? A. 17 crore. B. 10 crore. C. 25 crore. D. 32 crore. Answer. A. 17 crore. Q5. How many MLAs were to be elected in the first general election across India? A. 3,200. B. 2,500. C. 4,000. D. 3,500. Answer. A. 3,200. Q6. How many Lok Sabha MPs were to be elected in the first general election? A. 489. B. 543. C. 500. D. 450. Answer. A. 489. Q7. Why was the first general election postponed twice? A. Lack of funds. B. Incomplete electoral rolls and missing women's names. C. Boycott by opposition parties. D. World War II aftermath. Answer. B. Incomplete electoral rolls and missing women's names. Q8. Approximately how many women's names were missing or incorrectly recorded in the first draft of the electoral roll? A. 40 lakh. B. 10 lakh. C. 20 lakh. D. 50 lakh. Answer. A. 40 lakh. Q9. How were the missing women originally recorded in the electoral rolls before the AK intervened? A. By their profession. B. As wife of or daughter of. C. By their caste. D. As anonymous voters. Answer. B. As wife of or daughter of. Q10. How many polling officers and staff were trained to conduct the first general election? A. Over 3 lakh. B. 1 lakh. C. 5 lakh. D. 10 lakh. Answer. A. Over 3 lakh. Q11. Which Indian editor famously called the first general election the biggest gamble in history? A. Editor of The Hindu. B. Editor of Blitz. C. Editor of Organizer. D. An unnamed Indian editor quoted in the text. Answer. D. An unnamed Indian editor quoted in the text. Q12. Which magazine wrote that Jawaharlal Nehru would live to confess the failure of universal adult franchise in India? A. Organizer. B. Frontline. C. Economic and Political Weekly. D. Harijan. Answer. A. Organizer. Q13. Who claimed that a future and more enlightened age will view with stupor the absurd farce of recording the votes of millions of illiterate people? A. A British member of the Indian Civil Service. B. Winston Churchill. C. Lord Mountbatten. D. C. Rajagopalachari. Answer. A. A British member of the Indian Civil Service. Q14. What voting method was used in the first general election? A. Electronic voting machines (EVMs). B. A separate ballot box for each candidate with their symbol. C. Voters writing the name of the candidate on a paper. D. Voting by raising hands. Answer. B. A separate ballot box for each candidate with their symbol. Q15. Approximately how many steel ballot boxes were used in the first general election? A. 20 lakh. B. 10 lakh. C. 5 lakh. D. 30 lakh. Answer. A. 20 lakh. Q16. How long did the campaigning, polling, and counting process take for the first election? A. 2 months. B. 4 months. C. 6 months. D. 1 year. Answer. C. 6 months. Q17. Why is the first general election primarily referred to as the 1952 election, even though it started in 1951? A. The results were declared in 1951. B. Most parts of the country voted in January and February 1952. C. The Election Commission was formed in 1952. D. Nehru insisted on calling it the 1952 election. Answer. B. Most parts of the country voted in January and February 1952. Q18. What was the average number of candidates competing for each seat in the first general election? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Answer. B. 4. Q19. What was the approximate voter turnout in the first general election? A. Nearly 40%. B. More than 50%. C. Over 75%. D. Exactly 33%. Answer. B. More than 50%. Q20. What global myth did the success of the first Indian general election shatter? A. That poverty and illiteracy are barriers to democracy. B. That parliamentary systems are better than presidential ones. C. That single-party rule is inevitable in Asia. D. That EVMs cannot be trusted. Answer. A. That poverty and illiteracy are barriers to democracy. Q21. How many seats did the Indian National Congress win in the first Lok Sabha? A. 364. B. 489. C. 250. D. 400. Answer. A. 364. Q22. Which party emerged as the second largest in the first Lok Sabha elections? A. Socialist Party. B. Communist Party of India (CPI). C. Bharatiya Jana Sangh (BJS). D. Swatantra Party. Answer. B. Communist Party of India (CPI). Q23. How many seats did the Communist Party of India (CPI) win in the first Lok Sabha? A. 16. B. 12. C. 25. D. 30. Answer. A. 16. Q24. What percentage of the total votes did the Congress Party secure in the 1952 Lok Sabha elections? A. 45%. B. 74%. C. 60%. D. 30%. Answer. A. 45%. Q25. Despite getting only 45% of the votes, what percentage of Lok Sabha seats did the Congress win in 1952? A. 45%. B. 74%. C. 85%. D. 55%. Answer. B. 74%. Q26. What was the primary reason for the Congress Party winning a disproportionately high number of seats compared to its vote share? A. Proportional representation system. B. First past the post (FPTP) electoral system. C. Electoral fraud. D. Reserved constituencies. Answer. B. First past the post (FPTP) electoral system. Q27. Which party secured more than 10% of the votes in the 1952 elections but won only 12 seats? A. Socialist Party. B. CPI. C. BJS. D. KMPP. Answer. A. Socialist Party. Q28. In which of the following states did the Congress not get an absolute majority in the initial 1952 assembly elections? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Travancore Kochi. C. Bombay. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer. B. Travancore Kochi. Q29. Apart from Travancore Kochi, in which other states did Congress fall short of a majority initially in 1952? A. Madras and Orissa. B. Punjab and Sindh. C. Bengal and Bihar. D. Gujarat and Maharashtra. Answer. A. Madras and Orissa. Q30. Who was the first health minister in independent India's cabinet? A. Maulana Azad. B. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sucheta Kripalani. Answer. B. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Q31. Who served as the first education minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet? A. Sardar Patel. B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. John Mathai. Answer. B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Q32. Who was the first Minister for Communications and Food and Agriculture in independent India? A. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Jagjeevan Ram. D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer. A. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Q33. Who was the law minister in the first cabinet of independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. K.M. Munshi. D. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Answer. B. B.R. Ambedkar. Q34. Which minister resigned from Nehru's cabinet due to differences over the pact with Liaquat Ali Khan? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. C. John Mathai. D. C.D. Deshmukh. Answer. B. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Q35. In which year did the second general elections take place in India? A. 1955. B. 1957. C. 1960. D. 1962. Answer. B. 1957. Q36. In which year did the third general elections take place? A. 1960. B. 1962. C. 1965. D. 1967. Answer. B. 1962. Q37. In the 1957 Assembly elections, which state voted the Congress out of power? A. West Bengal. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. B. Kerala. Q38. Which party formed the government in Kerala in 1957? A. Socialist Party. B. Communist Party of India, CPI. C. Muslim League. D. Praja Socialist Party. Answer. B. Communist Party of India, CPI. Q39. How many seats did the CPI win in the Kerala Legislative Assembly in 1957? A. 60 out of 126. B. 75 out of 126. C. 50 out of 126. D. 80 out of 126. Answer. A. 60 out of 126. Q40. Who became the Chief Minister of Kerala following the 1957 elections? A. A.K. Gopalan. B. E.M.S. Nambudiripad. C. P.C. Joshi. D. S.A. Dange. Answer. B. E.M.S. Nambudiripad. Q41. What was historically significant about the Kerala government formed in 1957? A. It was the first government led by a woman CM. B. It was the first democratically elected communist government in the world. C. It was the first government to ban English. D. It was the first coalition government in India. Answer. B. It was the first democratically elected communist government in the world. Q42. What movement did the Congress party launch to overthrow the elected CPI government in Kerala? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Liberation struggle. C. Save Democracy campaign. D. Total revolution. Answer. B. Liberation struggle. Q43. Which article of the Indian Constitution was used by the central government to dismiss the Kerala CPI government in 1959? A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 370. Answer. B. Article 356. Q44. The dismissal of the Kerala CPI government in 1959 is often cited as the first instance of what? A. Use of electronic voting. B. Misuse of constitutional emergency powers. C. Coalition politics. D. Electoral alliances. Answer. B. Misuse of constitutional emergency powers. Q45. Which of the following groups supported the Congress-led liberation struggle against the Kerala government? A. Trade unions and peasants. B. Catholic Church and Nair Service Society. C. Industrialists and foreign investors. D. Student unions and artists. Answer. B. Catholic Church and Nair Service Society. Q46. Which country is associated with the dominant one-party rule of the Institutional Revolutionary Party, CRI? A. China. B. Mexico. C. Cuba. D. Syria. Answer. B. Mexico. Q47. In what year was the PRI founded in Mexico? A. 1919. B. 1929. C. 1939. D. 1949. Answer. B. 1929. Q48. Who was the founder of the PRI in Mexico? A. Fidel Castro. B. Plutarco Elias Calles. C. Emiliano Zapata. D. Simon Bolivar. Answer. B. Plutarco Elias Calles. Q49. How long did the PRI maintain its unbroken rule in Mexico? A. 3 decades. B. 6 decades. C. 8 decades. D. 2 decades. Answer. B. 6 decades. Q50. How did the rule of the PRI in Mexico differ from the one-party dominance of the Congress in India? A. PRI allowed multiple parties to win elections. B. PRI's rule was considered a perfect dictatorship with rigged elections. C. PRI had a constitutional mandate for one-party rule. D. PRI was supported by the military whereas Congress was not. Answer. B. PRI's rule was considered a perfect dictatorship with rigged elections. Q51. In which countries does the constitution legally permit only a single party to rule? A. India, Mexico, Japan. B. China, Cuba, Syria. C. Myanmar, Belarus, Egypt. D. UK, USA, Canada. Answer. B. China, Cuba, Syria. Q52. Which of the following countries experienced one-party dominance due to military and legal measures? A. Mexico and India. B. Myanmar, Belarus, and Egypt. C. China and Cuba. D. Japan and South Africa. Answer. B. Myanmar, Belarus, and Egypt. Q53. What was the primary root of the Congress Party's dominance in the early years of independence? A. Its alliance with the military. B. Its legacy of leading the national movement. C. Its control over the media. D. Its immense financial wealth. Answer. B. Its legacy of leading the national movement. Q54. When did the Congress Party formally originate? A. 1857. B. 1885. C. 1920. D. 1947. Answer. B. 1885. Q55. Under whose leadership did the Congress Party transform into a mass movement in the 1920s? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Q56. Which phrase best describes the nature of the Congress Party during its dominant phase? A. An exclusive elite club. B. A radical communist vanguard. C. A rainbow-like social and ideological coalition. D. A purely agrarian party. Answer. C. A rainbow-like social and ideological coalition. Q57. What does the term ideological coalition mean in the context of the Congress Party? A. It strictly followed democratic socialism. B. It accommodated revolutionary, pacifist, conservative, and radical groups. C. It allied with foreign political parties. D. It merged with the Muslim League. Answer. B. It accommodated revolutionary, pacifist, conservative, and radical groups. Q58. What is a key advantage for a political party acting as a coalition? A. It can take extreme ideological positions easily. B. It must avoid extreme positions and strike a balance on controversial issues. C. It does not need to contest elections. D. It can easily expel dissenting members. Answer. B. It must avoid extreme positions and strike a balance on controversial issues. Q59. How did the tolerance of factions benefit the Congress Party? A. It caused the party to split into multiple small parties. B. It kept dissenting groups within the party acting as internal opposition. C. It allowed foreign intervention in party matters. D. It made the party entirely corrupt. Answer. B. It kept dissenting groups within the party acting as internal opposition. Q60. What term did political scientist Rajni Kothari use to describe the unique Indian political system of the 1950s and 60s? A. The dominant system. B. The Congress system. C. The one-party dictatorship. D. The Nehruvian era. Answer. B. The Congress system. Q61. In the Congress system, what role did the internal factions of the Congress play? A. They funded the opposition parties. B. They acted as the real opposition within the ruling party. C. They rigged the elections. D. They demanded a separate nation. Answer. B. They acted as the real opposition within the ruling party. Q62. Assertion A. The Congress Party was considered a grand centrist party. Reason R. It absorbed groups with diverse ideologies without compromising its central position. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Q63. When was the Congress Socialist Party, CSP, formed within the Congress? A. 1925. B. 1934. C. 1948. D. 1952. Answer. B. 1934. Q64. Why did the Socialists leave the Congress Party in 1948 to form a separate Socialist Party? A. They lost the internal elections. B. Congress amended its constitution to ban dual party membership. C. They wanted to join the CPI. D. Nehru expelled them. Answer. B. Congress amended its constitution to ban dual party membership. Q65. What was the core ideology of the Socialist Party? A. Marxist-Leninism. B. Democratic Socialism. C. Integral Humanism. D. Free Market Capitalism. Answer. B. Democratic Socialism. Q66. What was the Socialists' main criticism of the Congress Party? A. Congress was too heavily influenced by the Soviet Union. B. Congress ignored the national movement. C. Congress favored capitalists and landlords over workers and peasants. D. Congress was opposing the partition of India. Answer. C. Congress favored capitalists and landlords over workers and peasants. Q67. Which event in 1955 put the Socialist Party in a dilemma regarding their opposition to Congress? A. Congress signed a treaty with the USSR. B. Congress declared its goal as a socialist pattern of society at the Avadi session. C. Congress banned private enterprise. D. Nehru resigned. Answer. B. Congress declared its goal as a socialist pattern of society at the Avadi session. Q68. Which prominent socialist leader advocated increasing the distance from the Congress Party? A. Asoka Mehta. B. Ram Manohar Lohia. C. Achyut Patwardhan. D. S.M. Joshi. Answer. B. Ram Manohar Lohia. Q69. Which socialist leader believed in cooperating with the Congress Party? A. Ram Manohar Lohia. B. Jayaprakash Narayan. C. Asoka Mehta. D. Acharya Narendra Dev. Answer. C. Asoka Mehta. Q70. Who led the Kisan Mazdoor Praja Party, KMPP? A. J.B. Kripalani. B. S.P. Mukherjee. C. N.G. Ranga. D. K.M. Munshi. Answer. J.B. Kripalani. Q71. The merger of the KMPP and the Socialist Party led to the formation of which party? A. Communist Party of India. B. Praja Socialist Party, PSP. C. Sanyukta Socialist Party, SSP. D. Bharatiya Kranti Dal. Answer. B. Praja Socialist Party, PSP. Q72. Who among the following was not a key leader of the Socialist Party? A. Jayaprakash Narayan. B. Acharya Narendra Dev. C. S.M. Joshi. D. P.C. Joshi. Answer. D. P.C. Joshi. Q73. Which revolution served as the primary inspiration for the Communist Party of India, CPI? A. French Revolution. B. American Revolution. C. Bolshevik Revolution of 1917. D. Chinese Communist Revolution. Answer. C. Bolshevik Revolution of 1917. Q74. From 1935 onwards, how did the Communists initially operate in Indian politics? A. As an armed guerrilla group. B. Within the fold of the Indian National Congress. C. From exile in London. D. As a banned underground syndicate. Answer. B. Within the fold of the Indian National Congress. Q75. In which year did the CPI part ways with the Congress Party? A. 1935. B. 1941. C. 1947. D. 1951. Answer. B. 1941. Q76. What was the immediate reason for the CPI to split from the Congress in December 1941? A. The Quit India movement. B. The CPI decided to support the British in their war against Nazi Germany. C. The execution of Bhagat Singh. D. The partition of India. Answer. B. The CPI decided to support the British in their war against Nazi Germany. Q77. What was the CPI's initial stance on India's independence in 1947? A. They celebrated it as complete freedom. B. They believed the transfer of power was fake, yeh azadi jhoothi hai. C. They demanded a merger with the Soviet Union. D. They demanded the return of British rule. Answer. B. They believed the transfer of power was fake, yeh azadi jhoothi hai. Q78. In which region did the CPI encourage a violent uprising soon after independence? A. Punjab. B. Telangana region of Andhra Pradesh. C. Naxabari in West Bengal. D. Malabar region of Kerala. Answer. B. Telangana region of Andhra Pradesh. Q79. In what year did the CPI decide to abandon armed struggle and participate in general elections? A. 1948. B. 1951. C. 1957. D. 1962. Answer. B. 1951. Q80. Which of the following states was not a primary stronghold of the CPI in the early elections? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. Answer. C. Gujarat. Q81. Which major international event caused a deep rift and eventual split in the CPI? A. The Cuban Missile Crisis. B. The ideological rift between the Soviet Union and China. C. The Korean War. D. The Vietnam War. Answer. B. The ideological rift between the Soviet Union and China. Q82. In which year did the CPI formally split into two separate factions? A. 1957. B. 1962. C. 1964. D. 1967. Answer. C. 1964. Q83. After the 1964 split, which faction remained closer to the Soviet Union ideology? A. CPI. B. CPI Marxist. C. CPI Maoist. D. Forward Bloc. Answer. A. CPI. Q84. After the 1964 split, which faction aligned more with the Chinese ideological path? A. CPI. B. CPI Marxist or CPI-M. C. Socialist Party. D. BJS. Answer. B. CPI Marxist or CPI-M. Q85. Who among the following was a prominent leader of the CPI? A. EMS. Namboodiripad. B. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. Answer. A. EMS. Namboodiripad. Q86. When was the Bharatiya Jana Sangh (BJS) formed? A. 1947. B. 1951. C. 1955. D. 1960. Answer. B. 1951. Q87. Who was the founder president of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh? A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. B. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. C. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. D. V.D. Savarkar. Answer. C. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Q88. Which two organizations provided the ideological and organizational roots for the BJS? A. Congress and Socialist Party. B. RSS and the Hindu Mahasabha. C. KMPP and PSP. D. Akali Dal and Shiv Sena. Answer. B. RSS and the Hindu Mahasabha. Q89. What was the core principle of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh's ideology? A. Secularism and socialism. B. One country, one culture, and one nation. C. Federalism and linguistic autonomy. D. Free market economy. Answer. B. One country, one culture, and one nation. Q90. What was the BJS's stance on the relationship between India and Pakistan? A. It supported a permanent hard border. B. It advocated the reunification of India and Pakistan into Akhand Bharat. C. It wanted to cede Kashmir to Pakistan. D. It proposed a European Union-style economic pact. Answer. B. It advocated the reunification of India and Pakistan into Akhand Bharat. Q91. What was the BJS's policy regarding the official language of India? A. It supported English as the sole official language. B. It championed Hindi as the official language and opposed English. C. It supported regional languages over Hindi. D. It wanted Sanskrit to be the national language. Answer. B. It championed Hindi as the official language and opposed English. Q92. How did the BJS view the concessions given to religious and cultural minorities? A. It strongly supported them. B. It remained neutral. C. It strongly opposed them. D. It wanted to expand them. Answer. C. It strongly opposed them. Q93. What major defense policy did the BJS advocate, especially after 1964? A. Joining NATO. B. Disbandment of the Standing Army. C. Developing nuclear weapons. D. Signing a mutual defense pact with China. Answer. C. Developing nuclear weapons. Q94. Which BJS leader is primarily associated with the concept of integral humanism? A. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. B. Balraj Madhok. C. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. D. L.K. Advani. Answer. C. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. Q95. How many Lok Sabha seats did the BJS win in the 1952 elections? A. 3. B. 10. C. 15. D. 25. Answer. A. 3. Q96. How many Lok Sabha seats did the BJS win in the 1957 elections? A. 3. B. 4. C. 14. D. 22. Answer. B. 4. Q97. In which year was the Swatantra Party formed? A. 1951. B. 1955. C. 1959. D. 1964. Answer. C. 1959. Q98. What Congress party action triggered the formation of the Swatantra Party? A. The Avadi Resolution on Socialism. B. The Nagpur Resolution on Land Ceilings and Cooperative Farming. C. The dismissal of the Kerala government. D. The nationalization of banks. Answer. B. The Nagpur Resolution on Land Ceilings and Cooperative Farming. Q99. Who was the primary founder and leader of the Swatantra Party? A. K. M. Munshi. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. N. G. Ranga. D. Minu Masani. Answer. B. C. Rajagopalachari. Q100. What was the central ideological pillar of the Swatantra Party? A. State control of heavy industries. B. Less government involvement in the economy and individual freedom. C. Aggressive land redistribution. D. Support for the non-aligned movement. Answer. B. Less government involvement in the economy and individual freedom. Q101. Which policy did the Swatantra Party strongly oppose? A. Private property rights. B. Cooperative farming and state trading. C. Foreign direct investment. D. Alignment with the USA. Answer. B. Cooperative farming and state trading. Q102. What was the Swatantra Party's stance on India's foreign policy? A. It supported non-alignment and ties with the Soviet Union. B. It opposed non-alignment and advocated closer ties with the USA. C. It favored a military alliance with China. D. It advocated total isolationism. Answer. B. It opposed non-alignment and advocated closer ties with the USA. Q103. From which social classes did the Swatantra Party draw its strongest support? A. Factory workers and agricultural laborers. B. Landlords, princes, and industrialists. C. Students and urban middle-class professionals. D. Tribals and Dalits. Answer. B. Landlords, princes, and industrialists. Q104. Who among the following was not a prominent leader of the Swatantra Party? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. K. M. Munshi. C. Ram Manohar Lohia. D. Minu Masani. Answer. C. Ram Manohar Lohia. Q105. What was the primary reason the Swatantra Party failed to build a strong mass base? A. It was banned by the Election Commission. B. Its ideology lacked a dedicated cadre network to reach the masses. C. Its leaders were imprisoned. D. It merged back into the Congress party immediately. Answer. B. Its ideology lacked a dedicated cadre network to reach the masses. Q106. Which party did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar found that primarily focused on Dalit mobilization during this era? A. Bahujan Samaj Party. B. Scheduled Castes Federation, later Republican Party of India. C. Justice Party. D. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Answer. B. Scheduled Castes Federation, later Republican Party of India. Q107. Which electoral mechanism creates an artificial majority, where a party gets a massive majority of seats with a minority of total votes? A. Proportional representation. B. Single transferable vote. C. First past the post FPTP. D. Runoff voting. Answer. C. First past the post FPTP. Q108. Assertion A. Congress party's dominance was purely due to its charismatic leaders. Reason R. The electoral system of first past the post also played a crucial role in converting its vote share into a massive seat share. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is false but R is true. D. A is true but R is false. Answer. C. A is false but R is true. Q109. Match the leader with their party. I. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee E. A.K. Gopalan E. Minu Masani 2. A. Swatantra B. C. P.I. C. B.J.S. A. I. C. E. B. E. A. B. I. A. E. C. E. B. C. I. B. E. A. E. C. D. I. C. E. A. E. B. Answer. A. I. C. E. B. E. A. Q110. Who was the first Indian to hold the post of Governor General of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Sardar Patel. D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer. B. C. Rajagopalachari. Q111. In the 1952 elections, which region saw the emergence of the Akali Dal? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. Answer. B. Punjab. Q112. What was the main outcome of the Congress system's ability to absorb different social groups? A. It led to constant military coups. B. It prevented opposition parties from gaining widespread mass support. C. It resulted in the immediate collapse of the party. D. It caused the Election Commission to intervene. Answer. B. It prevented opposition parties from gaining widespread mass support. Q113. What was the significance of the first general election regarding EVMs? A. EVMs were used across India. B. EVMs were tested in Kerala. C. EVMs were not used. Physical ballot boxes were used. D. EVMs were used only in urban areas. Answer. C. EVMs were not used. Physical ballot boxes were used. Q114. Assertion A. The first general election was a massive administrative challenge. Reason R. Nearly 85% of the 17 crore eligible voters were illiterate. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Q115. Which state saw a liberation struggle against a democratically elected state government in 1959? A. West Bengal. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Kerala. D. Punjab. Answer. C. Kerala. Q116. What fundamental democratic right was exercised for the first time on a massive scale in India's 1952 elections? A. Right to property. B. Universal adult franchise. C. Right to information. D. Right to recall. Answer. B. Universal adult franchise. Q117. Before 1952, critics argued that universal adult franchise could only succeed in which type of countries? A. Poor and populous. B. Rich and highly educated. C. Monarchies. D. Communist states. Answer. B. Rich and highly educated. Q 118. Which institution is responsible for the delimitation of electoral constituencies in India? A. The Supreme Court. B. The Delimitation Commission, Election Commission. C. The Planning Commission. D. The Ministry of Home Affairs. Answer. B. The Delimitation Commission, Election Commission. Q 119. How did the Election Commission solve the problem of missing women's names in the first electoral roll draft? A. They allowed women to vote without registration. B. They ordered a complete revision and deletion of entries formatted as wife of, daughter of. C. They postponed the elections by 5 years. D. They mandated only men could vote. Answer. B. They ordered a complete revision and deletion of entries formatted as wife of, daughter of. Q 120. What was the main reason the Congress formed governments in Madras, Orissa, and Travancore Kochi despite lacking a clear majority in 1952? A. They rigged the assembly votes. B. They formed alliances and gained the support of independent MLAs. C. The president bypassed the assembly. D. They banned opposition parties. Answer. B. They formed alliances and gained the support of independent MLAs. Q 121. Which party was formed primarily by landlords, princes, and industrialists who felt threatened by the Congress's land ceiling policies? A. Bharatiya Jana Sangh. B. CPI. C. Swatantra Party. D. Praja Socialist Party. Answer. C. Swatantra Party. Q 122. What does the term Akhand Bharat, advocated by BJS mean? A. Secular India. B. An undivided India including Pakistan. C. A socialist India. D. An India closely tied to the USA. Answer. B. An undivided India including Pakistan. Q 123. Which prominent socialist leader formulated the concept of total revolution later in his life? A. Ram Manohar Lohia. B. Jaya Prakash Narayan. C. Asoka Mehta. D. Acharya Narendra Dev. Answer. B. Jaya Prakash Narayan. Q 124. Which early political party traced its roots back to the non-Brahmin movement in South India? A. Swatantra Party. B. Justice Party, Dravidian Movement Parties. C. CPI. D. BJS. Answer. B. Justice Party, Dravidian Movement Parties. Q 125. Assertion A. The Congress was structurally a weak party. Reason R. It allowed various factions to exist within its fold. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. D. A is false but R is true. Q 126. How did the first past the post system disadvantage opposition parties in the 1950s? A. It banned opposition candidates. B. It divided the non-Congress votes among multiple candidates, allowing Congress to win with a minority vote. C. It gave double votes to Congress supporters. D. It required opposition parties to pay high deposits. Answer. B. It divided the non-Congress votes among multiple candidates, allowing Congress to win with a minority vote. Q 127. Which of the following parties was not established before India's independence? A. Communist Party of India. B. Congress Socialist Party. C. Swatantra Party. D. Justice Party. Answer. C. Swatantra Party. Q 128. Who among the following was the founder of the Independent Labour Party? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. J.B. Kripalani. D. S.P. Mukherjee. Answer. B. B.R. Ambedkar. Q 129. What was a unique feature of the opposition parties in the first decade of electoral politics in India? A. They often formed the government at the center. B. They functioned purely as armed rebel groups. C. They provided a principled and crucial check on the ruling Congress party despite small numbers. D. They boycotted all elections. Answer. C. They provided a principled and crucial check on the ruling Congress party despite small numbers. Q130. Which communist leader served as the chief minister of the world's first elected communist government? A. Fidel Castro. B. EMS. Namboodiripad. C. Mao Zedong. D. Vladimir Lenin. Answer. B. EMS. Namboodiripad. Q131. In the context of Indian politics, what is meant by one-party dominance? A constitutional ban on all other parties. B. One party consistently winning elections and forming the government due to popular support and fragmented opposition. C. Rule by a military dictator supported by one party. D. A coalition government of all major parties. Answer. B. One party consistently winning elections and forming the government due to popular support and fragmented opposition. Q132. Which of the following was not a reason for the initial dominance of the Congress party? A. Its identification with the freedom struggle. B. The charisma of Jawaharlal Nehru. C. A fragmented opposition. D. Support from the British government. Answer. D. Support from the British government. Q133. The Swatantra Party's opposition to state intervention in the economy aligns most closely with which ideology? A. Marxism. B. Classical liberalism, free market capitalism. C. Democratic socialism. D. Fascism. Answer. B. Classical liberalism, free market capitalism. Q134. Which political party passed a resolution in 1955 at Awadhi declaring its goal as a socialist pattern of society? A. Socialist Party. B. Communist Party of India. C. Indian National Congress. D. Swatantra Party. Answer. C. Indian National Congress. Q135. Assertion A. The Communist Party of India, CPI, suffered a major split in 1964. Reason R. The split was triggered by the ideological differences between the Soviet Union and China. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Q136. What was a critical difference between India's one-party dominance and China's one-party system? A. India's dominance occurred under democratic multi-party elections, while China's is mandated by its constitution. B. India's dominance was enforced by the military. C. China's system allows for frequent changes in the ruling party. D. There is no difference. Answer. India's dominance occurred under democratic multi-party elections, while China's is mandated by its constitution. Q137. Who was the first Indian woman to hold a cabinet rank in the independent Indian government? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. D. Sucheta Kripalani. Answer. C. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Q138. Which state was the stronghold of the Akali Dal during the early decades of independence? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Answer. B. Punjab. Q139. Which early opposition leader was known for his translation of Marxist concepts into the Indian peasant context? A. S.A. Dange. B. Acharya Narendra Dev. C. Minu Masani. D. Balraj Madhok. Answer. B. Acharya Narendra Dev. Q140. Which party opposed the Congress Party's policy of non-alignment in the 1950s and 60s? A. CPI. B. Socialist Party. C. Swatantra Party. D. KMPP. Answer. C. Swatantra Party. Q141. What was the major issue over which Shyama Prasad Mukherjee resigned from Nehru's cabinet? A. The Awadhi Resolution. B. The Nehru-Liaquat Pact on the Protection of Minorities. C. The dismissal of the Kerala government. D. The adoption of the Hindu Code Bill. Answer. B. The Nehru-Liaquat Pact on the Protection of Minorities. Q142. What was the main demand of the RSS and Hindu Mahasabha that influenced the BJS? A secular constitution. B. Promotion of Hindu culture and nationhood. C. Abolition of the caste system. D. Complete adoption of Western modernization. Answer. B. Promotion of Hindu culture and nationhood. Q 143. Which party's foundational resolution heavily criticized the policy of cooperative farming? A. CPI. B. Socialist Party. C. Swatantra Party. D. BJS. Answer. C. Swatantra Party. Q 144. Who famously coined the phrase Congress system to describe Indian politics of the 1950s? A. Granville Austin. B. Rajni Kothari. C. Morris Jones. D. Sudipta Kaviraj. Answer. B. Rajni Kothari. Q 145. What percentage of the eligible voters turned out to vote in India's first general election? A. Nearly 30%. B. More than 50%. C. Exactly 75%. D. Nearly 90%. Answer. B. More than 50%. Q 146. Assertion A. India's experiment with universal adult franchise was widely expected to fail. Reason R. The country suffered from extreme poverty, illiteracy, and a massive population. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Q 147. In the 1952 elections, which states assembly elections did the Congress sweep entirely without needing alliances? A. Travancore Kochi. B. Madras. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Orissa. Answer. C. Uttar Pradesh. Q 148. Which of the following best describes the structural nature of the Congress party during its dominant phase? A. A rigid, disciplined cadre-based party. B. A flexible, umbrella-like coalition of diverse factions. C. A purely regional organization. D. A secretive underground network. Answer. B. A flexible, umbrella-like coalition of diverse factions. Q 149. What did the liberation struggle in Kerala in 1959 ultimately lead to? A. The strengthening of the CPI government. B. The dismissal of the CPI government by the central government. C. A military coup in Kerala. D. The secession of Kerala from India. Answer. B. The dismissal of the CPI government by the central government. Q 150. Which early election established the precedent that democratic elections could successfully be held in newly independent, developing countries? A. The 1952 Indian general election. B. The 1948 US presidential election. C. The 1957 Mexican election. D. The 1947 Pakistani election. Answer. The 1952 Indian general election.